Hey, welcome to week 3. Here's the plan for the week for physics. On Monday, you're going to get logged into Concord Consortium, which is that thing we'll be using to learn about atomic structure and interactions. You'll do the pretest. When we do our synchronous time, you'll do activity 1 all together, examples of things that stick and don't stick, and you'll get to see the Van de Graaff generator working, which is pretty fun. Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to be talking about tape and magnets, why things stick together, or why things attract or repel, basically. Then we'll go over those answers in synchronous time and discuss the reading. Thursday and Friday, we're doing activity 3, which is about a plastic water bottle that gets rubbed with fur, and how does it interact with pieces of paper and your hand. There's some questions to answer with that one. It seems like a lot, but really it's just reflection questions about what you've been seeing in the demo videos. So then we'll do those demos for you guys in person. Virtual, face-to-face. We'll check our answers, and we'll discuss the reading. So here's some announcements for this week. You can turn in assignments up until midnight on the day they're due. I'm always going to say they're due at noon because it's best for you and for me and for everybody if you do it before the synchronous session. But I get it. Things happen. Turn them in when you can that day, and you don't need to email me if you turn in the same day it's due. Honestly, you don't have to email me unless you're having problems. You can, if you're turning it in, within the day or two, when it's due, that's okay. Just try to have it done by the synchronous session. If you can, please, because that will be helpful for you and for me. So I did put first 2 weeks into Power School. So if you have an incomplete on something, which a lot of people do right now, no worries. It's probably just that Flipgrid didn't work for you. So that's helpful for me to know that people are having trouble with that. So maybe we can figure out some workarounds. I added a Flipgrid help doc to last Thursday's assignment. So if it worked for you and no big deal, then you should totally go in there and see if you can help other people. And if it didn't work for you, you should ask for help there. Hopefully this will be a resource for you guys that'll be really useful. So if you had trouble with your lab report, I made a help video that I attached to last Friday's assignment. It should kind of give you, it walks through what is needed in each section. So don't worry too much about this assignment. It's really a completion grade, but I want you to feel comfortable that what you put down makes sense for what is there. So last thing is that if your spreadsheets ever don't show up right, this is actually something that was kind of more for personal finance now that I think about it, but if you're ever in Google Sheets or in Docs and they don't look right, one thing you can try is this resizer thing. So maybe it's just size too big and you want to make it smaller. Maybe it looks better like that. Whatever. Okay. Have a great week. Let me know if you need any help. Talk to each other. And I will see you on Monday. Bye.